Hello guys, welcome back to my video. This beautiful delicacy is called EKPANG NKUKWO from the southern state of Nigeria, predominantly Akwa Ibom and Cross River, and today we'll be making it together. First, we need some brisket bone, some dried fish known as ibad. Next, dried catfish also known as akamke nkoi. Next will be the champion of every ekpang, which is periwinkle, and we call it umfi. Next, we'll be using this, which is called Eden fruit, also known as uyayak. We also need some crayfish, pepper. To get this beautiful mixture, we have to grate both cocoyam and water yam together. Next, we'll be needing some cocoyam leaf, and this is what we'll be using to rub our ekpang. And we'll take our cut out cocoyam leaf, we'll take some of those mixtures, and this is what we'll do. Wrap it together, toss it into the pot. Underneath the pot, what we have is the periwinkle. We have some oil. Wrapping your ekpang like baby stuck under blankets till you're done. When you're done wrapping your babies, you add your onions and your seasoning cubes and some of the meat and the dried fish. Next, you go in with your crayfish and your Eden fruits. Leave it to cook for some minutes until it comes to a boil, and then you turn it, stir it with a spatula to make sure that every part is cooking well. At this point, you're almost done. When it's boiling and becomes firm, you stir it. Look at my nephew, it has seen better days. And you cut it if you don't like the long ones. And then you go in with your scent leaf to give it that beautiful rich taste and aroma. Please like, comment and share this video. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you want to be seeing more amazing videos like this. I'll be dropping a more detailed video on how to make this. See you guys in the next one, and leave a comment if you'll be making this beautiful delicacy. Stay safe, guys.